Hi, and welcome back to North London Allotment. So today I thought we'd do a couple of reviews, one of plants and one of a tool. And this is what I'm going to show you first. Now these are 6 tomatoes from Thompson Morgan that arrived this morning. So it's a Tuesday. They were posted on a Thursday, which I think is a ridiculous day to post anything at the moment, particularly plants. And they survived, which is more than a lot of people's have. They didn't look great. I've potted them on, but you will notice they have all been grown towards one light source. So they are all bent. And also, they should have arrived in April. Now, if you're like me, you sow tomatoes in February, beginning of March at a push, because they need a long growing season, and particularly here, as blight tends to come in September, I want everything grown, ripened and off by the end of September. These, if they had come in April, would have been fine. They would be 2 months ahead now. They've arrived mid-June. What's the point, honestly? I know things are difficult at the moment, but not every plant company is ballsing up like Thompson Morgan are. So not great, really not great. But anyway, let's move on to looking at a new toy. Now, for the next couple of months, one of my main jobs is going to be weeding. I do have 2 hoes, a wider one and a narrow one. One's the Dutch hoe and I think one's a draw hoe. Not very up with my hoes. Anyway, they're rusty, they're not very sharp. I did try and sharpen them. They're not great. And since I have a 10-rod plot and I'm going to have lots of weeding to do, I decided to invest. What I've gone for is this. It's a Wolf-Garten and it's a push-pull hoe. And there was a review of hoes done in Grow Your Own magazine a couple of months ago, I think it was. And this was one of those that came out tops. And I ordered it, and you've got to buy the handle separately. Now, I didn't have a handle, so I went for the wooden one. There you go. It's the end where you click it on. And the good thing about the handles is you can get different tool ends and you can use the same handle. You do have to buy the handle because these all come separately, so don't get caught out. Now, it came out really well in the review in Grow Your Own magazine, and I ordered it. And then yesterday, the last piece arrived. I was desperate to use it. And someone posted, I think it was Allotment Life on Facebook. And they posted that they had got it and it was amazing. So I read all the reviews of other people saying, yes, it's amazing. And I can't wait to give it a go. The lady who posted the original post on Allotment Life said, it goes through the soil like butter. Well, let's put it to the test. So here we go, this is the end, this is the handle, and I'm doing it one-handed, so this might not look the best. Let's try it, there we go. Click, and it's in, and it's ready to use. Okay, bearing in mind I'm doing this one-handed, let's have a look. Well, clay soil is never gonna be butter-like. There's a few lumps and bumps it doesn't like. But once you pass those, very nice. What I'll do now is I'll give it a go two-handed and see how easy it is then. Just thought I would give it a go and make wood chip parts, and unless the grass is very well established, it is coming, now that's really stuck in, so you can use the corner of the hoe to kind of dig in a bit. It's very stubborn, I have to say. It's not bad at getting the grass out on other patches, which is good. I've given it a good go now, and it is a lovely, lovely tool. It's much better than the hoe I did have. Very sharp. However, there are provisos, clay soil provisos. It doesn't like compacted soil. It struggles with lumps or stones. So if you've got nice kind of loose soil on top, it's great. It's a bit hard work or a bit impossible if you've got compacted clay soil baking in the sun. So that's worth bearing in mind. However, it's still a lot better than a rusty old hoe, and I look forward to many days over the summer of weeding with it.